Hi guys, welcome to the Seaborn, which is a statistical data visualization library in Python. Seaborn is based on matplotlib. This is why we learned matplotlib before Seaborn. Seaborn provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive statistical graphs in Python. On its official website, it says, if matplotlib tries to make easy things easy and hard things possible, Seaborn tries to make a well-defined set of hard things easy too. So a brief introduction to the ideas behind Seaborn is provided on its official website in the introductory notes section. You can go to this link and explore more on its introduction. So Seaborn's website is a great source with well-documented examples in its gallery, which gives a sense for what one can do with Seaborn, like lmplot, bar plot, KDE plot, and we will learn all these plots in the coming sections. So it is very well documented. So kind of plot that Seaborn can help to make is explained in its tutorial, whereas API reference provides authoritative documentation on the options offered by each function and class. You can explore more using this link and see how the tutorials are given. You can explore these tutorials one by one, like histogram and step-by-step plotting. And if you want, you can explore API reference using the link provided in the notebook. So here we have the API reference, facet grid, factor plot, LM plot. If you click on this LM plot, you get the details on LM plot and a well-documented section on LM plot. So to use Seaborn, we have to install Seaborn. For Anaconda users, the best way to get Seaborn is via conda. So conda install Seaborn. Type this on terminal. And for others who are not using Anaconda, pip install Seaborn. So in this section, we will learn range of plots and data visualization options available in API reference. That includes distribution plots, categorical plots, axis grids, matrix plots, regression plots, and much more. We will also cover style and color to control figure aesthetics in Seaborn. Please note the order of the lectures may be different and depends upon what is required at which stage. You can follow the links and explore more on these topics on the Seaborn's official documentation. So see you in the next lecture with installed Seaborn. Good luck.